At Uniloy, we're proud to be a global leader in blow molding technology, delivering innovative machinery and genuine OEM parts that help manufacturers around the world maximize efficiency and keep production moving. But our greatest strength isn't just the technology we build, it's the partnerships we build with our customers. Our July 23, 2026 open house at Uniloy corporate headquarters was more than an opportunity to showcase our latest machine innovations. It was a chance to welcome customers from around the world, share ideas, listen to their experiences, and better understand how we can support their evolving production needs. Every conversation, every handshake, and every connection reinforces our commitment to helping our customers succeed. At Uniloy, innovation starts with listening, and our customers remain at the heart of everything we do.